GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a model that's been trained on a large corpus of data and predicts answers based on your current text and context. A RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, which you have retrieval, which is a corpus of data that you've indexed. So you query against this corpus of data and you pass the entire context to a transformer for your generation. A GPT is better at generating content for creative writing, automated customer support, language translation, anything that's got a massive amount of data that it has been trained on, that it can assume based on, sentiment analysis, code generation. Those are applications of a GPT. A RAG, in essence, is better for prescribed data and query that data prior to posting it to you. But different form of customer support compared to a GPT, where this is extremely precise customer support. For instance, if you've got an HVAC company and you need to know every single model and their technical documentation, great application, because it'll pull up specifically that technical documentation, stuff that might not necessarily be like widely used. An LLM is a large language model, which both of these inherit from. Under the scenes, a GPT and a RAG both use an LLM to process everything behind the scenes. There is a big problem with running LLMs and running GPTs and RAGs. The problem is that we're at the mercy of a lot of the cloud providers. We're at the mercy of OpenAI, AWS. If one of those services goes down, it's very similar to if the internet will go down. I do feel that there are areas that, we're trying to shoehorn AI into, but for the most part, I think the benefit of making things more cost effective, supporting smaller teams, producing better quality code, for instance, will definitely excite a lot of people.